I love Zazou, I love the team, I love the guests, I love everything about it. I extremely encourage anybody who is interested in working for an environment that helps you grow both personally and professionally to come here.
I get to work with a fantastic group of people that love what I love and about making a difference in our community and making our guests feel special and feel wanted and feel taken care of. So if you're looking for a kick-ass hair salon to be in, we're the salon for you because you belong here.